Well, as you know, hurricane season just around the corner, 6 weeks away, and happening right now in New Orleans, the National Hurricane Conference.
Yeah, life-saving lessons being shared, as well as some amazing technology to help predict storms. Chief Meteorologist David Paul joining us now. All right, David, you got some new details on how artificial intelligence is being used.
Yep, all the experts are here when it comes to hurricane. And as we talked yesterday, it was a big day on learning about AI and how it's helping the tropical computer models forecast these things. Now today, I had a great opportunity to put that question to Dr. Michael Brennan. Now he is the chief, he is the director of the National Hurricane Center. Here's what he had to say about how AI is working into the tropical forecast model suite.
We're starting to pull in some of the AI model guidance that's being produced by places like ECMWF and other modeling centers. We're starting to evaluate guidance or model forecasts from those models over previous years. We're going to start evaluating them this season, see how we can add them into the mix. They're not going to replace the traditional modeling that we use, but they could be used to supplement it. And I think the initial impression on the AI model guidance is that it's quite good for forecasting track, which makes sense. Most of those models are trained on sort of very large scale atmospheric analyses, and that's really what controls track, is the large scale.
So I think that was a very interesting answer. What he's saying is, when you put AI in with the traditional physics models, you're getting improvement in track forecast, and we will take that. That's great news. Where AI is not helping so much yet is in intensity forecasting, but he told me later in the interview what they're doing is they're having AI look at historical satellite imagery, comparing that and hoping they can get some intensity forecast improvements with AI using satellite imagery and some other stuff. You can see the entire interview. It's up right now at KHOU 11+. Guys, back to you in Houston.
Fascinating stuff there in New Orleans. Hey, Dave, I want to know, are you eating some good New Orleans food?
I had a blackened trout yesterday. Had some grits and shrimp the day before.
Ooh, nice.
Tonight, I'm thinking I may get the shrimp and grits again. It was fantastic.
All right. All right, that menu has the meteorological and the Trevino Chow seal of approval. Thank you, David.
I don't need AI for that. Thank you.